Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Once again, welcome to Big Dreams Tech. And today, guys, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to make over $10,000 to $50,000 within a year with just, a little, strategies. So, guys, just stay tuned. If this is your first time coming across the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, leave your comment, and then share the video for others to benefit. I'm doing this video because a lot of people have contacted me. They have used all their techniques and whatever strategy in the crypto industry, but they are still losing. So guys, straight away, I'm going to teach you how to make about $10,000 to $50,000 in a year whilst we are sleeping. Okay, just relax and watch the video to an end. This is coin market cap. Okay, let me go back and show you this coin market cap. Okay, so if you don't have coin market cap, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Just download it. That is where all legit coin, most are scam although, but that is where you can find most legit coin. Okay, so straight away, this market cap, and we are going to talk about an exchange called Probit exchange. Okay, we are going to talk about this exchange here. Okay, we are going to talk about Probit exchange and how we are going to use Probit exchange to make this $10,000 or $50,000 in a year. So straight away, let me go to the coin market cap first, and then let me highlight you on what you need to know or to do before you enter into this strategy or this business. The strategy is we are going to buy a coin that is the Probit token and hold. But this is the reason why you need to buy Probit token and hold. Probit exchange token and hold. So straight away, let's go here. Let's type, or let me show you again. You type on the right top corner here, search sign, and click on the sign here, and then just type in Probit. Probit token. It will come. That is Probit token. So that is the name. As you can see, that is the Probit token. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, when you click on it, Probit token now is 0.0818. It is current price is 0.0818. This token is listed a year ago. It was listed last year, August. And this token is only trading on only Probit exchange. You can't get it anywhere unless Trust Wallet. Okay, you can't get Probit token listed anywhere. The reason why you need to buy this token is this token has a total supply. Okay, there is a total supply of 119 million. Okay, total supply of 190 million, and currently the circulating supply is unknown. Okay, the circulating supply is unknown, and this token or this exchange is among the first 20 exchanges in the world. Okay, it's among the top 20 exchanges. When you click here, when you come back to your market cap, you have the exchange is among the top 20. Binance is the first with a trading volume of 3.93 billion. As you can see here, just relax, I'm showing you something. 3.93 billion. Okay, and when you go to the down here, we have Probit to be at the down. So Probit is at the 19th section, as I told you. So Probit is here. Probit is trading with 52.95 million US dollars. Probit is gradually heading upward. At first it was at 122 here, and now it has 19. Probit is gradually moving upward, and I think later or soon Probit will be among the first 10 because they are introducing a strategy that is making their exchange extraordinary. Okay, so guys, Probit token, which I name it as Probit token, is going to be a massive spark. Okay, a massive spark. So let's go to Probit exchange itself and then see the token there. Okay, so just what you need to know is just buy little of $50 or $100 of this token down. Okay, $50 or $100 of this token. So this is the token in their exchange. Yes, if you click on it, you can see that its trading volume is not all that much because this token is not listed anywhere. Okay, it's not listed anywhere. It is only on Probit exchange. Okay, as you can see. So let's go back to coin market and let me show you something, that this token is not listed anywhere. So click on the token. Let's go to the search and click on the token, and it will open. So this is the Probit token. And also, if you want to see whether this token is listed at any place, just click on this market sign here. When you click on the market sign, it's going to show you exchanges where you see this token listed. Okay, sorry, you see exchanges where this token is listed. Okay, so hold on because of the call. So guys, buy at least $50 of Probit token down, and in the next year, so guys, as you can see, we have this token listed only on Probit. As you can see, as I teach you, it is only listed on Probit exchange. Okay, this token is listed only on Probit exchange. And as soon as this token is going out of the exchange to different exchange, it's going to generate massive, or very powerful spark. I'm telling you guys, very powerful spark. So just buy this token and hold. Buy this token and hold. Let's go to my calculator. Okay, Okay, currently this token is selling at, let's assume you want to buy $100 of this token. Okay, so you are buying $100 divided by the current price 0.081 something. Let's go back. That is 8 is on the exchange is 803. Okay, so let's put it 803 because that is where you buy it. You'll be receiving 1,245 Probit token. 1,245 Probit token. So let's delete this thing. Let me go back. 1,245 token. And if this token reach $1 within the next 2 months, you're having $1,245. And this token have the power to reach about $5 within the next 6 months or 1 year. Okay, this token have the power to reach $6 or even more, even $10 in the next coming. So if you even invest just $100, you are going to receive $12,000 in the next, let's assume 365 days. That is in the 1 year coming. This token can hit $10, and it will hit. That is the truth. It will hit. Let's compare this token to other tokens like other exchanges token, like let me go like this token, let's go like KuCoin. Okay, that is the KuCoin, KuCoin. That is KuCoin token. Okay, so that is their token here. That is their token. Their token is currently $5. Okay, as you can see, KuCoin is also one of the top exchanges, $5. And this token has over 144 million supply. Okay, 144 million supply, and the circulating is 96 million supply. And all-time high is what? $28.9. So guys, and this token, the KuCoin, that is a KCS token, is also exchange. It's already listed on so many platforms. Okay, when you go here, it's listed on so many platforms. As you can see, it's listed on so many platforms. It's listed even in Probit here. As you can see, Probit and other exchange. A lot of exchanges have already listed. So such tokens are where you can generate some basic or fat or big time income from them. So guys, if you don't have Probit exchange, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Just download Probit, okay, and then gather 50, 20 or $100, buy this token and hold and sleep. In the next 365 days, I'm telling you, you are going to cash out cool money. You are going to cash out very interesting and life-changing money. So guys, if you have more money, also buy more. These are legit and over legit projects that you need to invest in. So guys, if you're in the crypto industry and you have not buy and hold such tokens, forget. You must hold some while you are also scalping on the doing this arbitrage, taking some small profit on little investment, and then also a lot. So that is how we have been doing. We buy some and hold. As Shiba have sparked now, if you have bought about $200 Shiba down at it has sparked from yesterday, you'll be making little money. So from there, you cash out little money there, you put it somewhere there. So we have a lot of strategy. If you need more strategy, just contact Big Dreams. I'm gonna guide you, teach you, and then big out and keep supporting Big Dreams. I'll bring you more, but don't forget, subscribe and like the channel, and then buy more Probit token down. I'm out for the day.